I want you to think about getting as low as you can. I want you to think about that hamstring getting parallel to the ground. Fight through it. Right now, I know you have a million excuses going through your head as to why you don't have to finish this minute. I need you to find one good reason to keep going. We all have one. Feet are hip width apart. Abdominals are drawn in. As you lower yourself down, your booty goes back. See that noise? That way you know you're drawing that core in tight. Good. Inhale as you lunge, exhale as you lift. Come on, Remy. Oh, let's go. Come on. Think it. It's supposed to be hard, you guys. This is extreme. We are sculpting your bodies, okay? You gotta work for it. You want something you've never had? You're gonna have to do something you've never done. Squeezing the hamstring, squeezing the glute. Good, do it again. Watch this. Now watch. Her elbows higher than her wrists every time. So there's no break in the wrist when she does that, and it's just a small bend. So she really engages that hamstring and that glute. That's what I want you to do. You need core strength for this one. And squeeze. A lot is happening. Toe needs to stay facing forward. Your knee needs to stay behind your toe. Lay on that lunge. Keep breathing. Engage that core. Draw those weights up.
In your lunge. Jump. Now you got time. Heel lower. Explode. Now jab. Lower. Get deeper. Switch legs. Let's go. Down. Up. You need to drive it up. Come on, push. Make this happen. Now jab.